Hello friends of How to Grow. Today I will show you how you can get kiwi plants from the seeds of the fruit. Let's do this. Take a ripe kiwi and cut it into with a knife. These black points inside the kiwi are the actual seed of the kiwi. They are very small. You just will need to use a soil mix of 30% of sand and 70% of all-purpose compost. Helping yourself with a spoon, you can remove the seeds from the kiwi and put them into the cup in this way. Cover with more mixed soil and spray water. You will need to keep spraying water at least once every 2 days, and after about 10-15 days you will start to see a sprout that will look something like this. And after another 5-6 months the plants will start to look something like this. Let's talk now about pollination. In order to have kiwis, you will need to have both genders of plants. You will need to have the male flower, which looks something like this, and the female flower, which looks something like this. The most optimum layout to have the biggest number of kiwis is the following one. You need to locate the male tree plant in the middle, and on the external side you can locate up to a maximum of 8 female plants. I hope this video will help you in growing a kiwi plant that will look hopefully something like this. As always, if you have comments, doubts, please comment down below. And if you want to keep up with videos and updates on the How to Grow series, subscribe to the channel, clicking on the nice orange icon here in the corner. On Instagram, add us on How to Grow from Seeds. See you soon.